verb phrase-nya. Cari verb phrase-nya yang mana?
Should have been. Should have been.
Okay. Should have been. Kalau digabung ya, should have been. Should have been. This is the verb phrase-nya. And then number 2. The police department has already been notified. Number 2. Which one is the verb phrase? Anyone want to give me the response? Number 2.
Has already.
I just review it a few questions. Misalnya nge-review sedikit ya. I need to know your understanding.
Has
Maya
been.
ada?
Has already been notified.
Has already been notified. Fajar?
Has been.
Has been only. How about notified?
Because it's not included in the phrase.
Okay. Anyway, the verb phrase is this one and this one. Already-nya that's the adverb. Okay, ini adverbnya. Been notified. Notified ini verb, kata kerja. So, ini main verbnya. Has been notified. This is the verb phrase. Okay. Number 3. Can expect.
Can expect.
Okay. Number 4. Has. Not ya?
Has
No
block.
ya? Yes.
Not
Has-
included. Not.
Has block. Notnya, it's not verb phrase. Okay then, only 4 questions. It means that you know about that. I just review. Okay, jadi not, remember that. Yang adverb already, not, never, again, always, it's not a verb. Okay, but it's an adverb, kata keterangan. Today, where is it? Tenses. Baru ya, sangat-sangat baru. We have discussed about tenses. Last semester, we talk about each tenses. If I'm not a mistake, we have learned 7 tenses. So, in these 2 weeks, dalam 2 minggu ini, this week and next week, we are going to discuss about tenses. Just review it again. Miss hanya mereview, karena last semester we have learned. Okay? Ini hanya di-review saja, but masih termasuk di mata kuliah semester ini ya. This is about the foundations. When we want to construct sentences, when we want to understand someone saying, we should know about the tenses. This is the basic English that we should know, okay? Right here, tenses. This is quite easy for you to remember. I give you the table. Okay, I have uploaded the materials. Miss sudah upload ya. The table is make it easy for you to remember. For example, simple present di sini, simple present, simple past, simple future. Okay, and then continuous nih, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay, and then perfect. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. Okay, yang di sini. After that, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future perfect continuous. But ini yang I have given the table, the star here, and this is the common tenses we use in daily life. Okay. Dalam conversations yang Miss kasih bintang ini yang sering digunakan. Oke. Kalau perfect continuous ya jarang ya. And then after this one ya, this is quite the same with the others. Jadi yang Miss kasih bintang ini yang sering kita gunakan. Oke. Number 1, simple present. Ini kita sudah belajar ya, simple present talking about daily life, your daily routine. Kegiatan sehari-hari, talking about the fakta. For example, I drink coffee every morning. Kathy works as a teacher. he usually goes to Japan. Jadi kalau ada adverb frekuensinya always, usually, seldom, often, itu simple present. Dan juga di ujungnya adverb time, keterangan waktunya ada every morning, every day, on Monday, on Sunday. This is the simple present. Okay. For example, I'm asking one of you, Muhammad Alfi, what do you usually do in the morning? For example, Muhammad Alfi, can you give me the response? What do you usually do in the morning? Can you hear me? Let me ask. Agrian. No response. Gusti? Ini Miss agak curiga kalau nggak respon ini, apakah audionya di mute atau lagi tidur? Cuma join Zoom meeting saja. Oke, Mahru. Anggoro?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, Anggoro. What do you usually do in the morning? Setiap pagi biasanya ngapain? What do you
Minum
usually
kopi
do?
biasanya.
Okay, in
Minum
English.
kopi.
In English.
I drink
Coffee.
I drinking coffee. Yes.
Setiap pagi apa?
Every morning.
I drink coffee, Miss.
Every
Every time. Every
Every
morning.
morning.
Yes.
Every morning. Kalau every time, setiap waktu minum kopi terus, okay? But my question is, what do you usually do in the morning? Kamu ngapain aja biasanya setiap pagi? Oh, Miss, I drink coffee every morning. Setiap pagi, I drink coffee every morning. Okay, this is what we call simple present. But yang that's quite difficult or common mistake, yang sering kesalahan membuat simple present ini di third singular person, okay? Di she, he, it-nya. Kenapa, Miss? Kalau di she, he, it atau nama orang, dia kalau kata kerjanya di positive sentence ditambah s atau is, ya. Ini yang nyalain kameranya hanya Fajar, ya? Atau do I need to give you the, what is that? Give you any kinds of punishment? Atau Miss mau kasih apa namanya? Kalau nggak nyalain video, Miss anggap absent semua? Or what? Oke, tegar. Saya sambil kerja, Miss. Anyway, Miss nggak tahu ya. Kalau sambil kerja, misalnya nih kita face to face di kelas, bisa nggak sambil kerja? Oke? It means that you don't appreciate the class. Okay? You don't appreciate me as a lecturer. Jadi kalau kalian lagi kerja atau Miss saya lagi di jalan, Miss. Okay, then it's always talking about this one.
Sorry, kalau
yes,
di
please.
Kalimantan Tengah,
Ya.
kalau open kan jaringan Miss kayak putus-putus, jadi pecah suaranya, jadi nggak dengar kata Miss.
Okay. Alright, so just give me the response ya. Nggak apa-apa. Jangan, kayaknya nggak semuanya dari Kalimantan atau dari Timur. Ada beberapa yang bisa on cam, kayak Rifki nih, baru Miss lihat Faiz. Jadi kan Miss agak, ya I can give you the tolerance of this one. Bukan hanya satu orang saja, okay? Jadi kayak Miss kayak ngomong sama apa namanya Fajar aja. Karena you know the key of communications, kunci dari komunikasi ya. Itu Miss melihat eye contact kalian. Oh ini ngerti, ini paham nggak kayak gitu. Jadi kalau Miss nggak lihat mukanya semuanya, hampir semuanya gitu. Apalagi ini cuma berapa persen, cuma Fajar ya. Miss nggak tahu nih kalian paham atau enggak penjelasan Miss. Apakah Miss kecepatan? Apakah tidak? Apakah paham atau tidak? That's my responsibility anyway. Okay. So let's continue. Simple past. Simple past. Today I'm just talking about simple, okay? Simple present, simple past, simple future. Next week we are going to talk about continuous. Okay? Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. And then simple past. Simple past, we talk about the action in the past, okay? Completed action, kegiatan yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau. This morning, jam 6 tadi sudah terjadi juga. That's about the actions in the past. The key is subject verb to. Kuncinya verb 2 ya. And then using did. For example, Putri. Nah, ini kan Miss lihat nih lagi memperhatikan. Putri, okay. What did you do yesterday? Kemarin ngapain? What did you do yesterday?
Kemarin ngapain?
Yes, what did you do yesterday? Ini kita talking about the past action ya, kegiatan yang sudah terjadi. So you need to use verb to, kata kerja bentuk kedua. So what did you do? Terserah apa kemarin. For example, Miss kemarin learning English, for example. Okay, I learned using verb to ya. I learned English yesterday. So how about you, Putri?
Drama yesterday.
You watch movie?
Yes.
Okay. You watchnya using ed ya. Yang namanya simple past tense, gunakan verb kedua. Okay? Masih ingat verb kedua kayak do, did, done, go, went, gone, watch. Okay? Itu. Jadi bukan watching. Yang namanya ing itu nanti kita belajar di bagian continuous, okay? Di continuous. Pasti itu pakai ing terus, okay? Tapi di sini tidak ada ing kalau untuk di simple present, simple past, simple future. Febrilia, okay. Did you go to school yesterday? Did you go to school yesterday? Nah, gimana cara jawabnya itu? Did you go to school yesterday? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't.
No, I didn't.
Yes, good. No, I didn't. Atau yes, I did. Bisa ya. Kalau positif, yes, I did. No, I didn't. Jadi kalau pertanyaan Miss Auxiliary-nya di depan did, itu jawabnya juga pasti ada kata did-nya. For example, did you go to the class yesterday? Go-nya itu verb 2, verb 1 ya. Oke. Jadi verb 2 itu hanya digunakan di positive sentence. Kalimat positif, oke. I went to campus. I went to campus. Jadi kalau positif using verb 2, but for negative and interrogative using verb 1, okay? Back again to the base verb. And then, Arvin, are you sleepy, Arvin?
No, I'm not.
Oh, itu repeated the audio. Now, any questions about simple present and simple past? Ada pertanyaan simple present and simple past because I need to continue to the simple future. Any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Oh ya, Miss mau tanya. Kalau di kelas lain itu apakah boleh semuanya off cam atau gimana?
Tidak, Miss.
Tidak boleh ya? Karena Miss waktu rapat di kampus itu semua siswa itu harus on cam. Makanya Miss harus upload link Zoom itu di Waskita karena akan ada dari kampus yang ngecek itu. Kenapa Miss agak cerewet untuk itu kan karena they see us, okay? Mereka memantau kita. Tapi yang memang nggak bisa, ya I will not force you. Miss nggak akan paksa ya yang nggak bisa itu. Mungkin karena memang sinyalnya. Well, go on. Simple future. Future ini ada will sama going to ya. Boleh pakai will, bisa juga going to. Kalau going to itu sudah kita prediksi, sudah kita rencanakan. Tapi kalau will itu belum, oke? Misalnya nih, future itu masa depan yang ingin kamu lakukan. For example, Faiz, what will you do after this class? What will you do after this class? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan setelah kelas ini? What will you do?
I will watch TV.
Oke, I will watch TV. Rumusnya gimana, Miss? Will verb 1. Oke, will verb 1. And then, let me ask the others. Rifki, what will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will work.
Okay, you will work.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the examples of using will ya.
Yeah.
If I'm using going to, itu I have a plan the things that I need to do. Miss sudah kapan Miss pakai going to? Itu yang sudah Miss rencanakan. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to go to the market this afternoon. Siang nanti Miss mau pergi ke pasar. Itu sudah Miss rencanakan. Tetapi kalau directly sekarang itu pakai will, oke, yang belum kalian rencana. Alright, kalau untuk negatifnya langsung aja tambahin not, oke, nggak ada yang berubah sama sekali untuk future. I will not watch movie. I'm not going to go to the market. There is no difference, oke. Jadi yang agak berubah itu di simple present sama simple past, ya. Nah, kalau simple present nih, balik lagi Miss tanya. Do you love English, Rizky? Do you love English?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes I do. Kalau no, I
I don't.
I don't.
Okay, good. No, I don't. Kalau she, he, it pakai does ya. Does Fajar love English? Okay. Does Fajar love English? No,
Yes, he
for
does.
example. No, he doesn't. Atau yes, he does. Okay then? Any questions? If not, I will give you the exercise. Number 1, already done and speaks German very well. Tinggal pilih ya. Yang di sini present tense, simple present. Kalian tugasnya apakah harus tambah s atau is atau tidak sama sekali. Okay. Number 2, who wanna try?
Saya.
Saya Miss.
Yes, the boy. Yang pertama tadi?
Abdul.
I never drink coffee.
Okay, I never drink coffee. Your student number.
1668.
What's your name? Arvin ya?
Ahmad Abdul Rafiq.
Ahmad, okay. Number 3, the swimming pool, blah, 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 at
The
9 o'clock.
swimming pool at 9 o'clock and close at 8:30, 18:30 every day.
Okay, the swimming pool itu opennya using S atau no?
Open without S.
Using S. Kenapa Miss pakai S? Karena swimming poolnya hanya satu. Oke,
I see.
dia termasuk it, she, he, it, tempat ya. It itu untuk benda. Swimming pool opens at 9 o'clock and closes. Nah, closes
Closes.
at 18:30 every day. Okay, Fajar. Number 4, go on. Bad driving.
Miss.
Yes, please.
Driving.
Bad driving causes
driving
many
causes-
accidents.
How many?
Bingung.
Siapa tadi duanya? Dua-duanya. I will write the name.
Saya Miss Ahyar.
Yes, Ahyar. And then,
Saya Miss. Cuma
Yes.
tadi belum kebaca sampai ke ujungnya.
okay, what's your name?
Samsiatul Fitria.
Your student number?
1665.
Okay, how about Ahyar? Apa tadi? Bad driving
Causes
causes. Yes, causes. Why Samsiatul? Ahyar choose causes. Kenapa nggak cause?
Karena itu simple, itu kan Bu, simple past tense.
No, we talk about simple present. Ini masih simple present ya. Yang
Simple
ditambah
present
S atau IS. Iya. Kenapa nggak pakai S? Kenapa pakai S? Causes. Kenapa nggak cause saja?
Karena emang di ketentuannya kan, Miss,
Apa ketentuannya?
Karena bad driving
menggunakan S. Karena bad driving.
Ada kata many,
iya.
Miss.
Oh, many-nya bukan ya. Yang kita lihat di subjek. Oke, bad driving itu satu kan? Kebiasaan buruk, oke, dalam menyetir satu. Jadi kita kalau berkaitan dengan she, he, it, oke, orang ketiga tunggal, itu kita harus pakai S atau IS. Oke. Number 5, who wanna try? Ada yang mau mencoba?
My
Nomor
parents
5.
lives in a very small flat.
Oke, student number. Oh, what's your name?
1816, Arvin, Miss.
Oke, Arvin. 1816. My parents
Live,
live or lives?
lives.
Why
Karena they.
lives?
Karena they. Is
Karena
it correct, Miss?
Sorry, karena apa tadi? Well, we
termasuk
still have
they.
less than 1 minute. Rejoin again ya, rejoin again. Karena Miss, oh you may choose, boleh pilih. Mau assignment atau kita jawab soal kayak gini? Kalau mau tugas,
Answering the
kelas
question.
kita. Kalau mau soal-soal kayak gini, langsung join lagi ke Zoom meeting. In a small flat.
Without S, Miss.
Oh, without
Oh.
S. Yes, good. Without S. Kenapa Miss without S? Karena ini jamak ya, bukan
Okay.
tunggal. My parents, more than one. Kecuali nih, parents ini Miss hapus S-nya, jawabannya lives. However, kalau ada S di sini, parents, orang tua dua-duanya, itu kita pakai live tanpa S. Oke? So, yang namanya Dewi Ayu using without S or ES, she, he, it using S or ES. Number 6.
Saya Miss,
Miss, next
Okay, the girl.
the Olympic Games take place every 4
Take
years.
place.
The Olympic Games takes place. Okay, good. What's your name? Liliana ya? Bukan.
1662 Miss, Maeda Ajijah.
Oh, Mayada. Soalnya agak mirip ya suara Liliana Liliosa sama Claudia. Okay. So takes place pakai S. Kenapa Olympic Games ini bukan gamesnya banyak ya? Cuma Olimpiknya aja. Olympic Game itu satu. Jadi dia third singular person takes place pakai S. Takes place. Alright, that's about simple present. I hope you understand about these tenses, okay? Tenses simple present. Sekarang di simple past. Simple past. Ini Miss baca dulu ya. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Ini a typical working day. Typical working day itu apa? Kegiatan yang typical setiap hari itu kayak gini nih yang aku lakuin. Okay? Your daily routine. Okay? I usually get up at 7 o'clock and have a breakfast. I walk to work, which takes me about half an hour. I start work at 8:45. I never have lunch. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I'm always tired when I get home. I usually cook a meal in the evening. I don't usually go out. I go to bed at about 11 o'clock. I always sleep well. So anyone want to try? Ini tenses apa yang Miss baca tadi? It really clear enough ya. Sangat jelas itu kalau kalian you know about that. Tenses apa di sini?
Past tense.
Present tense.
Present tense. Kalau
Present
past
tense.
tense pasti gunakan verb 2 ya. Yang ini typical nih ini dari kata typical aja, kegiatan yang sering kamu lakukan. Ada usually kata Miss tadi, ada always, itu kegiatan yang sering kamu lakukan. Ini namanya simple present. Kalau kamu ngomongin daily routine, itu simple present. Tugas kalian, yesterday was a typical working day. Tugas kalian membuat ini menjadi past tense. Ingat, past tense berarti verb 2. Wanna try? Number 1 is already done. She got up at 7 o'clock. Anis, di sini I get up 7 o'clock. Kalau di past tense dia, she got up at 7 o'clock. Number 2, wanna try? Ada yang mau mencoba? Nomor 2?
She has a
Yes.
breakfast.
She had a big breakfast.
Oke, Mega. 16, 15. She had.
She had.
Oke, good. Jadi dari kata have atau has become had. Oke. Nah, verb to-nya had. Number 3. She
walked to work.
Oke. Walk-nya ditambah
Day.
oke,
Ide.
ide. Siapa tadi?
Saya Miss Muhammad Faiz Raihan.
Sorry?
Muhammad.
Faiz ya.
Yes.
16, 49. And then number 4.
Angel, Miss.
Yes, Angel.
It took to get to work.
It took apa nih? It took her
It took her
about
get
Okay.
get to work.
It took her about half an hour to get to work. Okay. It took her about half an hour to get to work. Angela, your student number?
1621, Miss.
Number 5. Wanna try? Yang mau mencoba? Number 5?
Saya Miss.
She start
Yes, please.
work at
She start to work at 8 o'clock.
She
started to work.
She started. Okay. She started to work at 8:45 ya. Who is the boy? What's your name? Yang laki-laki tadi?
Ada dua yang jawab.
Siapa? Rifki.
Ya.
Rifki, your student number?
18-12-09-86.
Never had.
Oh, 2018 ya?
Iya.
Never.
18, 12?
0986.
Okay. So she started using verb to. She started to work at 8:45, okay? Atau she started working bisa. Tapi yang miss point ini yang miss tekankan emphasize itu adalah I started. Number 6.
She never had
Had
lunch.
a lunch.
Okay, she never had lunch. Number 7.
She finished work at 5 o'clock.
She
He
finished
finished work
at
I think. Okay, give one by one. Who wanna try?
Maybe me.
She finished
He
work
finished
at 5 o'clock. Finish
Okay, she
pakai
finished
ed.
using ed work to work at 5 o'clock. Nah, ini number when I get home. Number 8.
Number 16.
Number 8. Give me Arvin already, okay? Yang lain yang belum dicatat nih. Number 8. Fajar already. The others yang belum. Anyone want to try?
She usually cook a meal yesterday evening.
Number 8. Number 8.
Oh,
Malu, Mas.
Nomor 8.
hey, Miss.
Yes, what's your name?
Raihan.
Raihan, student number
1620.
1620. Yes, Raihan? She?
Ya, she usual ya. Always kan gini usual. Ya. Jadi usual.
Kalau pakai di past tense, always-nya nggak usah dipakai lagi, oke?
Di tired langsung.
Kalau M, ini kan to be-nya M ya. Kalau di past tense to be-nya apa?
I am.
M-I-N itu to be-nya di simple present. Tapi kalau di simple past, I was. Oke?
I was tired when
Iya, I was tired when
I
when.
get home.
Oke, kalau kita ganti, she was tired when she got home. Oke? Bukan get. Oke? Alright. Next, number 9.
She usually go in the
Oke. She usually-nya dihilangkan ya. Simple past nggak pakai usually, oke?
Cook
Kenapa?
a meal yesterday
Itu
evening.
rutin, oke? She cook using ed. She cook a meal in the evening. Nah, ada yang sudah paham ya cara baca untuk simple past yang using ed, pakai ed. Yang akhiran T sama D, hanya itu yang dibaca ed. Kayak needed, wanted, itu kan ujungnya need, D ya, needed. Want, ujungnya T, wanted. Selebihnya nggak dibaca it ya, bukan cook it, bukan juga finish it, bukan juga walk it, no. Jadi hanya yang ujungnya T dan ujungnya D yang dibaca it. Okay. Kalau yang lain itu voiceless, nggak gitu kedengeran. Cook, ujungnya cook. And then walk. Kayak gitu, oke? Okay? Nah yang ini Miss mau tanya. I don't usually go out. Sorry? Ini agak berisik ya, ada yang motong rumput, pakai mesin rumput. Okay, so sorry. Semoga kalian nggak gitu kedengeran.
It's okay, Miss.
Oke, yang mau mencoba, I don't usually go out. Nah, ini Miss mau lihat nih. Paham nggak yang di sini?
did not.
Sorry?
I did.
She did not.
Okay, what's your name?
Not.
Mayada aja.
Mayada already, Mayada. I didn't ya. I didn't go out. I didn't go out. Usually-nya jangan dipakai. Okay? Number 11. Nomor 11.
Saya Miss. Saya
what's your name? What's your name?
Rafif Aktitu, Miss.
Afif. Student number?
1626.
Okay, go on. Number 11.
She went
Yes.
to bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. She went to bed at about 11 o'clock. And the last one, I want to try?
She She slept well last night.
She slept well.
She slept. Okay, she slept well. Okay, good. Next, the last one ya. Future. Nah, future. Future ini ada yang pakai will, ada yang pakai going to. Okay? Remember, kalau yang pakai will itu kalian belum merencanakan apapun. Kalau going to, you have plan. Okay? Sudah direncanakan sebelum-sebelumnya. Okay then, number one, this one. Yang ini ya. Ada yang mau mencoba? Give me your name first. Kasih Miss nama dulu baru jawab. Ada yang mau mencoba yang belum ya? Your name?
Alvina.
Alvina, student number.
1659.
Okay, go on Alvina. Yes. Do you have plans for dinner? Yes.
Yes, I will meet a coworker for dinner at Alin's restaurant. Want to join?
Okay, is it correct? Benar? Yang lain?
No, miss.
No, why?
Because we have plan.
Yes, good. What's your name?
Dwi Alistiawan, miss.
Sorry?
Dwi Alistiawan.
Dwi Aldi, student number.
1629.
Yes. So the answer, Dwi, jawabannya yes,
Going to.
I'm going to, ya. I am going to meet a coworker for dinner. Kenapa pakai I'm going to? Karena dia sudah plan ya. Do you have plans? Kamu punya rencana untuk malam ini? Yes, I'm going to. Kayak gitu. I'm going to meet a coworker karena dia sudah ada rencana. And then this one, this letter is in French. I don't speak French. Can you help me? Sure, I will translate it for you. Ini kan mendadak kan? Oh iya, bisa saya translating nanti. Ini juga going to. Do you want to go shopping with me? Yeah, I'm going to. What time? Ini sudah direncanakan. The last one. Who wanna try?
Saya, Miss.
Yes, what's your name?
Gusti Raffi.
Gusti, your student number?
1672, Miss.
Okay. The light doesn't work. The bulb is probably burnt out. Do you have any light bulbs?
I will get one for you, Miss.
Okay, good. I will. Karena ini kan dia lampunya tiba-tiba nggak nyala nih. Mungkin bolanya mati, bola lampunya. Kamu punya nggak? Nah, itu kan directly ya, langsung ya, bukan rencana. So, I will get one for you. Nanti aku ambilin satu buat kamu. Okay, I will get one for you. So, that's the choices, okay? So, you need to know the differentiate between a will and going to. Okay, but both of them talking about the future. Kedua-duanya sama, talking about future, masa depan. However, the usage-nya ada berbeda. Okay then, that's all about simple hari ini. Do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Next week, we are going to talk about continuous, present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Okay? Do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan? If not, I'll close the meeting today and I will not give you the assignment.